welcome back to this follow-up video. What you will be seeing is them doing more work on my kitchen, more work on my bathroom, and then I will follow up with the finish of my bathroom and my kitchen. So without further ado, here you go. This video here is going to be a voiceover in the beginning because I'm just showing where they're putting in the cabinets into my kitchen, and I have one side along the wall is white, and then my island cabinet is in black. So and it's pretty long. It houses the prep sink and two drawer cabinets. And this area here is where they put in the countertops because there will be storage cabinets above. So that is the other side of the island, different view. As you can see back there, that's where they will be installing the storage cabinet above. That will be my only upper cabinets in this kitchen. As you can see, there you go. There's those two storage cabinets, the only ones that are above, and I couldn't be happier. Here you see them tiling the back wall. He did a phenomenal job. I like his work. He took his time. Great people. Couldn't be happier. Okay, everyone, this is my master bathroom that's been stripped down here. And the shower that was over there now has my walk-in tub, walk-in, and it has a seat. There's a seat right there. It's jetted. The toilet used to be here, got moved over here, and the vanity is going to go on this wall. It used to be back there, but now it's going over here. Finish off the walls, tile the back, and of course finish out this area here. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to get in here and soak. Yes. Woohoo! You can step in right there, guys. Pretty awesome. Here's another update, guys, on my kitchen. So they have put in my backsplash. My cabinets, they have pretty much everything coming in. They still have to finish off around the window. They have to put in the vent hood for the stove. Let's go see the updates in the bathroom. So in the bathroom, they have they're putting in a pocket door. So they have did the drywall, and next will be tiling in around my tub. Then my vanity will go in over here. I think Lutron has a great switch. This is the fan and this is the light. So I love this because you don't have to have two switches. This is going to be for the light over the vanity. Yeah, my toilet is sitting in my bedroom. There you have it, everyone. That is my kitchen. It's coming along. I couldn't be happier with the way things are turned out in my kitchen. I just adore it. I love it.